Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see. Now, I have some issue with some people because of a certain thumbnail with Raheem Sterling. See? Where man ask a question seriously if Raheem Sterling can be deported. And a whole heap of people take issue with it. You understand? So me spread propaganda and I create hypotheses and theories and things like that. What do you think this is about? Alright, next thing again. What do you think is a hypothesis or a theory? The fact, it's a fact that Raheem Sterling can be deported if him get caught or commit some of the same issues them where other Jamaican brother and sister them get deported down there with the other day. He hasn't got different rights from our brother and sister. No, the fact, yes, he's got different rights. You know why? Because he's a high-profile football player with millions of dollars who can afford the highest immigration solicitor for challenge them illegality where them a perform on the rest of brother and sister them. I man use the highest profile Jamaican for draw a spotlight on the situation. You understand me? This is how you attract the right ears to your cry, to your needs. No, you can what I said could have caused Raheem Sterling for crosses come down upon him according to some of you. And I mean that it's so. We Jamaicans sit back and with argument and rhetoric like these, sit back and allow society to do things like this only to us and not hold our politicians them in Jamaica to responsibility for question and stand up for our rights abroad just like other foreign nationals do. You get what I say? Our rights as Jamaican, only Jamaican, and I'm telling you this right, you know, only freaking Jamaican rights I get trampled in Britain like so well and there is no tomorrow. The authority deal with Jamaican like the Jamaican not have no parents. When I go and me I cry too and I tell no what I go on go like a fanboy. I'm fan girl. I talk about me I call on destruction pan him and I me I call on destruction pan him. Raheem Sterling can get the port for a spliff tomorrow morning if them choose to do it, so. I want him to know. Not because you see him play football for England or play him a Jamaican like me and you. Like the rest of man them. Yes, him a British nationality, but he was born in Jamaica. Enough man when the port come down there. A Jamaica them born and come to Britain come get red book of Britain nationality. Brought the of speed. If a man go speed over the speed limit the other day, yeah. And them deport him. On the day I chat off in the mouth and I go on like so well then a stupidity man there like you think I hype me I look at not even Raheem Sterling can't come see a stupidness that me do. Not even him not so stupid. Like someone who we are insulting and embarrassed on yourself. A comment like on a keyboard warrior, that's all you can do. Type, seek attention. Yo, the attention when I seek and I mind, the attention for the entire Jamaican community who live in a Britain. I want to know, since me come here till now, I'm tell you 3/4 of 5 Jamaican there then. 5, can count them on one hand, the way them deal with it. Compared to what me come here come say. And you me tell them say regardless of the propaganda, the narrative of them spread, put in a phone of years and unjump and run with it like idiot. Me I telling you say at least 50% of them people they get deported illegally. Me now ask gonna stand up, me have to stand up chunk and me was one of them. You know see it? I mean I can point out some tune here now, something we need to be addressed, something we need to stop. Me not talk for me. I'm still not Jamaican, not alright. So I can't say me alright. But I not talk for me, I talk for other people in the struggle too. You know see it? I want to know. I want a Safuna mind one track and direct. That's what I just the headline uno see and it uno run with, uno can't read between the lines. Yo, if I'm for jump and put up a headline say Jamaican I get deported unwarranted, unconsciously, my me are telling you say, a 2 I wanna allow on YouTube make see that, or 1, if you make none I wanna see it. But have I have other subject topic on the issue of politics and in regards to the treatment of Jamaica in my feed. Go look on them and see how much views them get now. Look on them and see how much views Vegas and Bounty Killer get. Look on them. You see it. And I ask yourself why. You see it. We are being edited. We are stranglehold upon our medium whenever we try address certain issues and talk on certain topic. Boy, yeah. I want to know. I feel them own authority. I asked the other day, I said the Home Office reveal the amount of people where them are deport by numbers and by race because them know say Jamaican. Look out, you think a Jamaican alone they are Britain? You want to say Chinese, you want to say Indian, you want to say Iraqi. Like me say, I do a video on a corner will be a Jamaican news today and showing us that be an Iraqi there. So now, you see, and if one little corner can stay so with them. Just imagine that right across the place, same way. You know, see it? Jamaican and few of Jamaican is a small community and always have been a small community in Britain. In regards to the other rest of nation and community across Britain. You get what I say? Yet Jamaican get the wickedest target. You think I beg friend and one there so I lie me there so I tell pan people. When you not go do no research and ask no people, and live out of poor people business when someone try to defend poor people issue and jump on it and a find argument and biting pine for complain about some little non-existent issue. I want to know. Grow up, man, and go do no one thing, man. You start a channel and do for no thing in the professional and the proper way. I don't think it should be done. You know, see it. Stop going like an idiot, man, and insult all me and me and you try to insult me and you attempt at an insult, literally insult me. I insult and attempt at insulting me, insult me, because I know other people are going to see. Want to put, want to write. You see? Yo, no tell me say so Babylon getting on the brain and yam it out, man, like a worm, like a maggot. That's when you can't read between the lines. Our people are saying people are talking to you. You know, come on this a chat literal like on a ghost. I want to know, man. Not do that, man. You know, deal with some Marcus Garvey business. I try to teach, you know. You know, see it. And then again, like I say, some people, I go there with Jamaican, then they are complaining and chat certain thing. You know, see it. What's the thing said? You know, see it? Yeah, we have to use high profile people and use them draw light to certain things. Kind of know what I'm to. Ryan Sterling himself good I want to say something and can't say it. I don't think for say it because what? The pressure will go come down upon him, go down and play for weeks. You know, see it? And all them things there. Good and get. I want him to know, man. I don't know what I go on boy, so. Take lesson, man. And go learn. You know, see it? I truly make you feel bad, say, you don't have a relative, family and friend over a certain way, and then you not hear the truth, say, a hell and sin them are living in. So I don't feel bad now himself now, make it look like so well then. I man shouldn't talk. Because so Jamaican stay, you know, Jamaican love, bury them head under the sun and go on like so certain things that exist. Things that all go away. Not for uno. So no stay. You know, see it? No, you know that we don't know. See it? Learn to read, man. More blessed. Share, like, and subscribe if you want. If you don't want to make this stay so for 10 years, because somebody I going to see it, we're going to learn something from it.